Hello everyone and welcome back to English Flow channel. I'm David and today we are going to do something simple, practical and very powerful for your English. Let me ask you a question. How do you usually start your morning? Do you wake up slowly and quietly? Do you jump out of bed and rush into the day? Or do you open your eyes, look at the ceiling and think, please, just 5 more minutes? Many English learners study in the evening, after work, after school, after dinner, when they are already tired. But the morning can be a beautiful time for practice. Your mind is fresh. Your day is just beginning. And even a few minutes of English in the morning can make a big difference. So today I want to help you build a calm and confident morning in English. This is your morning English lesson. In this practice, I will give you useful sentences about waking up, getting ready, having breakfast, planning your day, and speaking to yourself in a more positive way. The goal is not to study grammar rules. The goal is to use English in a natural daily situation that is already part of your life. We will practice in 3 levels. Level 1 is beginner. These are short and easy sentences for basic morning actions. Level 2 is intermediate. These are more natural morning conversations and daily situations. Level 3 is more advanced. These sentences will help you describe your feelings, your plans, and your mindset in the morning. I want you to listen carefully and repeat with me when you can. Do not worry about being perfect. Just listen, repeat, and imagine the situation. English grows step by step, and daily practice is one of the best ways to become more comfortable. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's begin your morning English practice. Part 1. Level 1. Beginner. Simple morning actions. These are short sentences for the small things you do at the start of the day. Waking up. I open my eyes. I wake up slowly. I hear the alarm. I turn off the alarm. I stay in bed for a moment. I sit up carefully. I rub my eyes. I take a deep breath. I look around the room. I look at the clock. I listen to the sounds outside. I see the morning light. The day is starting. It is a new morning. I feel a little sleepy. I'm awake now, getting out of bed. I move the blanket. I put my feet on the floor. The floor feels cold. I stand up slowly. I stretch my back. I stretch my arms. I stretch my legs. I walk to the window. I open the curtains. I let the light in. I look outside. The street is quiet. The sky is bright. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I begin my day, washing and getting fresh. I wash my face. The water is cold. The water feels nice. I use soap. I dry my face. I brush my teeth. I put toothpaste on the brush. I brush carefully. I rinse my mouth. I wash my hands. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I feel fresh now. I feel clean and ready. Getting dressed. I open my closet. I choose my clothes. I pick a shirt. I pick some pants. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants. I put on my socks. I put on my shoes. I check my clothes in the mirror. Everything looks fine. I'm dressed now. Breakfast and basic morning actions. I go to the kitchen. I make some coffee. I make some tea. I pour a glass of water. I am hungry. I make breakfast. I eat some toast. I eat some fruit. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I drink my coffee. I enjoy the quiet. I feel more awake now. I am ready for the day. Very good. That was level 1. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful because they describe real actions that happen every morning. If you repeat them every day, your English will start to feel more natural. Now let's move to part 2, level 2, intermediate, natural morning conversations and daily situations. These are the kinds of sentences you can use with family, roommates, friends, or colleagues. They are also useful when you talk about your routine. Talking to people in the morning. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Are you awake already? I slept well, thank you. I was very tired last night. I did not sleep enough. I woke up too early today. I think I need more sleep. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 6:30. Did you hear your alarm? Yes, I got up right away. No, I slept through it. Are you feeling okay this morning? I'm a little tired, but I'm fine. I feel better after some coffee. Do you want something for breakfast? Yes, I'd like some eggs and toast. Would you like tea or coffee? I'll have coffee, please. Can you pass me the milk? Sure, here you go. Thank you, I appreciate it. That smells really good. Did you make breakfast? Yes, I made oatmeal and fruit. That looks delicious. Let's eat together. Enjoy your breakfast. Talking about your morning routine. I usually wake up around 7. I try not to look at my phone first thing. I always drink water before coffee. I like to start my day quietly. I usually take a quick shower in the morning. I get dressed before breakfast. I need a little time to wake up fully. My mornings are usually busy. Some mornings are calm and some are rushed. I like to prepare everything the night before. That makes my morning easier. Talking about plans for the day. Do you have a busy day today? Yes, I have a lot to do. I have a meeting this morning. I need to leave early today. I want to finish a few important things. I hope the day goes smoothly. I need to stay focused today. I have a long day ahead of me. I'm trying to stay organized. I wrote a small to-do list this morning. That helps me feel calmer. Leaving home. I'm leaving in 10 minutes. I need to get my bag ready. Have you seen my keys? They're on the table. Don't forget your phone. Don't forget your wallet. I think I have everything. Can you check if I left anything? I'm ready to go now. Have a good day at work. Have a great day at school. Take care on your way. See you later. Yes, see you tonight. Talking about your morning with other people. My morning was a little stressful today. My alarm did not ring. I had no time for breakfast. I had to get ready very quickly. I spilled my coffee this morning. I could not find my other shoe. It was one of those mornings, but now everything is okay. My morning was peaceful today. I had time to sit quietly. I even listened to music for a few minutes. That made me feel relaxed. Excellent! That was level 2. Now you are not only describing actions, you are also having real morning conversations. That is very important because English becomes stronger when it feels connected to real life. Now let's go to part 3. Level 3. Advanced morning thoughts, feelings and mindset. These sentences are longer and more expressive. They help you talk about your emotions, your intentions, and the way you want to begin the day. How you feel in the morning. When I first wake up, I usually need a few quiet minutes before I feel fully alive. Some mornings I feel full of energy, and other mornings I feel like staying in bed a little longer. The way I begin my morning often shapes the mood of my whole day. If I rush too much in the morning, I carry that stress with me for hours. When I start slowly and calmly, I usually feel more balanced. I try to notice how I feel instead of forcing myself to move too fast. A good morning does not need to be perfect. It just needs to feel steady. Sometimes the hardest part of the day is simply getting started. Once I get moving, everything begins to feel easier. Even a small positive start can change my whole mindset. Planning your morning with intention. Before I begin working, I like to take a few minutes to think about what really matters today. I try to choose 2 or 3 important things instead of overwhelming myself with a huge list. When I plan my morning well, I feel less confused and more focused. I have learned that a peaceful morning can create a more productive day. Instead of checking everything at once, I try to move through my routine with more attention. Some days I write down my priorities while I drink my coffee. That simple habit helps me feel clearer and more in control. I am learning that mornings are not just about getting ready. They are also about setting the tone for the day. Encouraging yourself in the morning. Every morning is a fresh opportunity to begin again. I do not need to carry yesterday's stress into today. I can start where I am and still make progress. Even if I feel tired, I can still take one good step forward. I do not need to do everything at once. I only need to begin. I am capable of handling what this day brings. I can stay calm even when the day becomes busy. I remind myself that progress is more important than perfection. My English improves every time I practice, even if the progress feels small. Speaking kindly to yourself in the morning can change the way you move through the day. A calm mind is stronger than a rushed mind. Morning affirmations in English. Today is a new beginning. I am thankful for this new day. I choose to begin with calm energy. I trust myself to handle today well. I am learning and growing every day. I speak English more confidently with each practice. I am proud of the effort I make. My small habits are building a stronger future. I welcome this day with a clear mind and an open heart. I am ready to learn, work, and move forward. I can create a good day with small good choices. I believe in myself, even on slow mornings. A few final advanced morning reflections. The first words I say to myself in the morning matter more than I used to think. If I begin the day with kindness, patience, and clarity, I usually feel stronger later. A peaceful morning does not solve every problem, but it gives me a better way to meet the day. I am still learning how to build a routine that supports me instead of rushing me. Some mornings are easy and some are difficult, but every morning is a chance to practice again, and that includes practicing English. Fantastic. You have completed all 3 levels. You can now speak about your morning routine from waking up to leaving home. You practice simple actions, natural daily conversations, and deeper thoughts about feelings, plans, and self-encouragement. That is a beautiful kind of English because it is personal, useful, and easy to practice every day. And that brings me to your mission. Tomorrow morning, use some of these sentences in real life. Say them while you wake up. Say them while you wash your face. Say them while you drink your coffee or tea. Say them while you get dressed. Even 5 minutes of daily English can create real progress over time. You do not need a perfect study plan to improve. Sometimes you just need one daily moment that belongs to English. Your morning can become that moment. So repeat these sentences again and again. Make them part of your routine. Let them become familiar. Let them become automatic. And one day you'll notice that English is coming more easily, more naturally, and with more confidence. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Flow channel, and share it with a friend who wants to build a better English routine. And in the comments tell me this. What is the first thing you say or think in English every morning? Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep believing in your progress. I'll see you in the next lesson.